What's up, guys? What's up, guys? My name is Davin Smith, and I'm coming to you with a quick video. Something very important. Some people do not know about this. Some people do know about this. But in this video presentation, I will be showing you how you can income shift and minimize your taxes and bring an extra $200 to $600 or even more back in your check a month, right at your current job, okay? Without recruiting, without selling, without talking to anyone, right? And on top of that, when you do it, you put it into effect. What you can do is you can share with a friend. You also get paid like that. So no recruiting, no selling, no phone calls. I'm gonna show you guys how you can put an extra $80 to $100 in your check weekly, right? $600 monthly, $600 to $1,000 monthly. What we call income shifting it, right? With MyEcon. Okay, let me give you some facts about MyEcon. MyEcon is a personal financial success company. Been around for 14 years now. It's debt free, right? So everything here is personal finance. Listen to me, personal finance, right? So I'm gonna log in my back office and I'm gonna show you guys what I mean by income shifting. Let me log in real quick. Okay, let it load. Hello, guys. Okay, log in. We off. Here we go. Got action. Okay, cool. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the income shifting membership. Okay, let me just go and put it out there. Before I dive in it, get too inside with the membership. To get started, to get this membership, to learn what I'm about to teach you guys, right? I'm about to show you guys what you can learn inside the back office. It's $34.95. That's it. $34.95 monthly, right? If you learn income shifting before a month, you don't have to constantly pay the $34.95. But this video, I'm talking strictly about the income shifting membership. Now, if you want to keep going, and build a business with MyEcon, the personal finance success company, it's cool. You pay your $34.95 and you'll be a business owner. That means stuff you can write stuff off, like the headphones I got right now. I can write it off. I get my money back at the end of the year, right? The government got that design that if you're a business owner, you can write everything off that you use. Like, for example, like my cell phone bill, like I said, the headphones, my MacBook, the gas I go travel to another business meeting. If it's dealing with business, you can get your money back at the end of the year. I'm not gonna say write off. I'm gonna say you can get your money back at the end of the year. Okay, call it tax write off. Right. So let me dive into income shifting membership. I'm showing you guys how you can adjust your W4 forms, and put an extra $100 to $200 weekly back in your paycheck from taxes. Hello. Okay, boom. Okay, now what you see is the income shifting membership. When you pay your $34.95, you will have access to the smart credit system, which we teach you how to fix your credit. On top of you growing your income and making more money at your current job, we teach you how to fix your credit and restoration education. You got cash flow manager, right? We teach you how to eliminate debt. We got a chart and we got a system built and they teach you how to eliminate debt step by step. Right? We got ID defender, right? We got a legal club. We got discounts on travel. We got key lodging defense system. We also got a cashback mall, right? So we log in and opt in. I'm going to show you guys how the income shifting membership works. So it's loading. Loading. Sorry about the internet, guys. You know, where I'm at is raining now, so we kind of backed up in the rain. Okay, let me scroll down so you guys. Okay, income shifting membership. This go inside education, right? Like I said, we got credit. We teach credit restoration. Teach you how to fix your credit. This all in your membership. The $34.95. So it's well worth it. Okay, it's something that a lot of people do not know. The IRS reports that 80% of taxpayers overpay in taxes, right? Meaning that you are overpaying in taxes. You know, you're paying Uncle Sam too much money. Simple as that, right? So, breakdown that we got right here, the income shift. We teach you how to adjust your W-4 forms, right? Simple process, step by step, different modules, right? It's a video. Here's how to carefully fill out the W-4 form. You know how to let people let the IRS know that you want an extra $100, $200 bank good check without asking your boss. You know what I'm saying? Just click. I'm not gonna say click. It just, you know, a couple circles you sign in your W-4 form. You know, we teach you education, right? Here you go, minimize, expensive tool. We got all of it. It's in the back office. But we teach you how to eliminate debt. Break it down. Teach you how to. You scroll up. Break it down. Income shifting membership. Right. You get the introduction. To show you. You know what it is. Let's see, not play it real quick. It plays a little bit of it. Right. To show you what it is. Break it down to you with the introduction. Okay. Going down. Your first course. 10-minute course. How to fill out your W-4 forms. After the 10-minute course, you how to minimize expenses, right? And so on. How to eliminate debt and everything, right? And to get started with this membership, it's $34.95, right? And we teach you the education on how you can minimize your taxes and adjust your W-4 forms to put an extra $200 back in your checks weekly. This is Dalvin Smith from checking out. You guys have a blessed day. Get back with me for more information before we get you started. It's only $34.95, right? I paid it, and 1,000 other people paid it as well. So get back with me and get you started. You guys have a blessed day. Peace.